Guys, in today's video we're going to look at how to create fake reflections. So this image here, it's already completed and this reflection is actually fake. So I've chosen this final image so that I'll crop off the reflected area and I'll do it once more so you'll get an idea. So this one is actually a composite of two images. The Milky Way was taken separately and this light painting was done separately. If you want to know about light painting, I'll be doing it in the practical session soon, and it's actually a very easy technique. The post processing brings out all these details, and this was shot on a Sony Alpha 77 Mark II with a 11-16 mm Tokina lens at 2.8. So it's actually got pretty details, and there was nothing here, it was very dark, so I cropped it off and I'll be showing you the original image after this. Okay, so I'll just crop off the reflection. There goes the reflection. Okay, so this is the image. That's a bit more. Okay, so just cropped off. Okay, so I think it's a bit more to crop. Right. So just crop it completely. So this is the image. So to actually fake something, I usually don't use much layers. It's better if you use layers. So take the background and drag it here, make a new layer. Just hide the background layer. And when you have such an image, first thing you should do is first you just select the whole thing, that is Control A, and copy and paste it. Okay, and then Control plus T, that makes the free transform option available. So go to free transform and rotate it 180 degrees. Okay, and press enter. And now go to this cropping. You have to make the image bigger so that the reflection can fit inside. So just simply pull the crop down and press enter. So you'll get this blank space. And go to this layer and again Control plus T. You just pull it down till wherever you need. So when you look at it, I have rotated it 180 degree, but it's not a perfect reflection because this hand should come on the other side. So just right click again and flip horizontal and press enter. Okay, so now you have almost image there. Okay, and then just make a small adjustment, cut it this much. So when you look here, it actually looks like a mirror image, not like a reflection. So the properties you see in a reflection is it will be a little bit blurred. The perspective would be different, depends upon how the water is, and sometimes there will be ripples. So to adjust the perspective, Control plus T and right click and you have this perspective. Just pull this one to the right side a bit more, and almost you'll get an idea. It's straight, it's facing towards you and you're looking at the water like this. And then go to this filter and then go to blur and go to motion blur, because water is always motion, and this line you put it vertical 90 degrees. Okay, and from there just play with it, and maybe 30 would be nice. Okay, and press OK. So now okay, because I blurred it, there's a small difference here. So just take that free transform option again and bring it closer such that it's touching the upper layer, and then make a final adjustment. Just crop it a bit and just check it. If you're happy with the output, yeah, so this image is a bit bigger. You don't need that much, just crop it this much, and maybe on the top to crop it uniformly. So there you go guys, it's a fake reflection and almost looks real, and people actually have believed this is a true reflection, but it's not, it's fake. So yeah, that's how we do it.